Hello everyone, welcome to One to Step. In today's video, we're gonna see how we can add text to video using Filmora. The first step is to import the files and the second step is to add text to the video. So let's go with the first step. To do that, first click on this import, then import media files, then choose where your video is in your device. Mine is here, so click on it and open it. You will import it to our project. Now add it to the timeline by clicking on this plus sign. Now the second step is to add the text. For that step, we need to figure out where we want to add the text. Let's say I want to add text to this part where there is white flowers and pink flowers on the background with a fountain on the front. So if this is where I want to add the text, with the playhead at this position where we want to add text to, click the T, which stands for text. If you click on it, you can see two options, quick 3D text and quick text. We want to select the first one, quick text. Now a text has been added, so drag the playhead over to the text, and if you double click on it, a pop-up will appear. Here is where you customize the title. The default is text here and the color, the background. If we want to change all of that, this is where we want to do that. Let's say we want to change the text to fountain with white and pink flowers in the background. For background color, we need to switch this to on, and there we can select the options. If we want to select it to something like pink, what about increasing the size of the text? Where there is 24, we can increase it and it will be quickly reflected on the video. On the side, let's select it. You can also give the color of the text as you want by clicking on this. Let's see how the text is looked in the video. Let's go to the very beginning and play. There you have it. Now you know how to add text in video in Filmora. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to receive future video updates similar to this one, do subscribe to our channel. Until next time, bye-bye.